सांग मैंने मुझे 4th क्लास इंग्लिश मेन बुक आनी चलो तो देखा ता भर कौ चैप्टर अच्छे और रीडिंग करके बुझिया। आमर मेन बुक फर्स्ट चैप्टर है अनदर एडवेंचर। Dorothy, the Cowardly Lion, and the Tin Woodman and the Scarecrow were walking through the forest when they saw a ditch before them. Dorothy, Cowardly Lion, Tin Woodman ଆଉ Scarecrow ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଡ଼କୁ। ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାଗଲା ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଖାଲଟିଏ। It was a very wide and deep ditch with big pointed rocks at the bottom and step side. सेटा बहुत मोटा थिला और बहुत गभीर थिला। What shall we do? asked Dorothy sadly. Dorothy मन दुखरे कहया तापर आमे कौन करिबा? Must try and jump over it, said the Scarecrow. Scarecrow कहला कि आमे jump करके देखिबा। I think I could jump over it. Cowardly Lion कहला कि मते लागुछ मु jump कर परिबी। After looking at the ditch carefully, Lion जेतेबेले ditch को carefully देखिला, They we can carry us all over on your back. से कहला कि लायन ऊपर सब सामान रखिकी नेक्स्ट आड़ को जंप करिबा। I am terribly afraid of falling myself. से जदि ताको डर लगिला जदि से पड़ी जो said the lion, but we must try. Lion कहला कि हमें ट्राई कर देखिबा। I will go first. Lion first जीवा। If you cannot jump over the ditch and fall, it could not hurt me at all, said the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow sat upon the lion's back. Then with a great spring, the lion shot through the air and landed safely on the other side. They were all very आज सांग मैंने एति पढ़ा कहीं वीडियो बेसी लंबा हो टाइम नहीं। आज सांग मैंने एति बाकी सब नेक्स्ट एपिसोड रे आमे पढ़ा। बाय बाय।